Hi, good morning everyone. This is Arun from Kids Matrix in front of Rani Channama Circle, Keldi Road, Sagar, Shumoga district. So today, without wasting time, we'll go directly to the concept. So today I'm explaining you about how to convert centimeter into meter or kilometer into meter and similarly various types. Okay, just check out the first problem. Before going to the first problem, we'll know the values. We'll know the values of kilo, centi, and milli, like many more. Okay, what is the value of kilo? Kilo means 1000. Kilo means 1000. Kilo. Similarly, the value of centi. The value of centi is 1 by 100. Similarly, the value of milli is 1 by 1000. So these are the values, and the unit will be in meter or liter and many more, etc. Okay, I'll just give you an example and you'll come to know how to solve these kind of problems. Okay, we'll go to the first problem. What is the first problem? 100 centimeter plus 1 meter. 100 centimeter plus, we'll take it as 57 meter. 57 meter. So before solving this problem, we have to convert the unit first. We have to make the unit as same. So which is the unit here? The unit is meter. The unit is in meter. So if you want the answer in meter, we have to convert this centimeter into meter first. If you want the answer in meter, you have to convert this centimeter into meter first. So 100. What is the value of centi? The value of centi is 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100. Meter as it is. Okay? Plus 57 meter. So 2 zeros get cancelled here. What is remaining? 1. 1 meter plus 57 meter. Now we can add directly, right? The units are in meter now. So we'll get the answer in meter. 1 meter plus 57 meter is 58 meter. So as simple as that. If you know the value of centi, we can convert into meter and we can get the answer in meter. Similarly, what if we need the answer in centimeter? If they ask the answer in centimeter, we have to convert this meter into centimeter first. Okay? First one. See, what is the first step? 100 centimeter, right, as it is, because we want the answer in centimeter. Okay? Plus 57. Okay, we want the answer in centimeter, right? Here meter should be converted into centimeter. So what I'll do is, see, I'll multiply and divide by 100. Multiply and divide by 100. Meter I'll write as it is. If we cancel these two, 100 by 100, if we cancel, we'll get 1, right? So answer will be 57 meter only, we'll get 57 meter only. So that's why I have multiplied and divided by 100. I have multiplied and divided by 100. Okay, which is the next step. Okay, 100 centimeter, right, as it is. 57 into, I'll split this and write. See, I'll split this and write 1 by 100 into 100. I'll split this and write 1 by 100 into 100. Similar to this only, right? 100 ones are is 100. 100 by 100. Similar to this. Okay, meter, right? You write the meter as it is. Okay. Next step. 100 centimeter as it is. 57. What is 1 by 100? 1 by 100 is nothing but centi. 1 by 100 is nothing but centi into 100 I will write as it is. 1 by 100 I will take this as centi. Meter I will write as it is. So we got the unit in centimeter, right? We got the unit in centimeter. Here is also the centimeter. So now it's easy to calculate now. Check, both the units are in centimeter. 100 right as it is. What is 57 into 100? It's 5700 centimeter. Here 100 centimeter. Now the units are in centimeter, right? The units are in centimeter. We can add directly. What is 100 plus 5700? It's 5800 centimeter. We got the answer in centimeter. Okay, just check out. Next one, kilometer to meter conversion. Kilometer to meter conversion. See, first one. I'll take 100 kilometer plus 87 meter. Now we want the answer in meter. How to convert this? See, first step we have to convert this kilometer into meter, and then we can add, right? Because the units will be same. 100. What do you mean? What is the value of kilo? 1000. The value of kilo is 1000 meter. Kilo means 1000. Meter I write as it is. Plus 87 meter. What is 100 into 1000? 100 into 1000 is nothing but 2 zeros, 3 zeros. Yes. 100 into 1000 is nothing but 1 lakh. The unit is meter plus 87 meter. I'll write as it is. Now the units are in meter, right? We can add directly. 1 lakh plus 80,000 is 1 lakh 80,000 87 1 lakh 87 meter. We got the answer in 1 lakh 87 meter. Now what if we require the answer in kilometer? See, we got the answer in meter, right? What if we require in kilometer? If they ask in kilometer, what we should do? Okay, if they ask in kilometer, which is the first step, we need to convert this meter into kilometer. We have to convert this meter into kilometer. At that time, we will get both the units in kilometer, right? If we convert this into kilometer, we will get both the units in kilometer. At that time, we can add directly. Now we cannot add. Why? Because the units are different. See, it's in kilometer and it's in meter. ಇದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We can add both. Okay, 100 kilometer I'll write as it is plus 87. We need the answer in kilometer. What we should do? We should multiply and divide it by 1000. We should multiply and divide by 1000. Meter I'll write as it is. If we cancel these both, we'll get 87 meter only. See, if we cancel these both, 87 meter only will be remaining. That's why I have multiplied and divided by 1000. Okay, 100 kilometer I'll write as it is plus what is 1000 meter? 1000 means kilo, right? Kilometer. Okay, 87 I'll write as it is into 1 by 1000 I'll split. Okay, 1 by 1000 into 1000 I'll write. Check. 1000 ones are is 1000, 1000 by 1000, similar to the previous step, right? That's why I have split and write 1 by 1000 into 1000 meter. I'll write as it is. Okay, what is the next step? 100 kilometer plus 87 ones are is 87 divided by 1000. 1000 meter means kilometer. 1000 means kilo, right? We got the unit in kilo. See here, kilometer. Now we can add these both, right? Okay, check. 100 kilometer. What is 87 divided by 1000? If there are 3 zeros here, I have explained in the previous classes, we have to shift the decimal point 3 houses behind. So that is the decimal point is here, right? 87.0. That is the decimal point is here. So we have to shift this decimal point behind 3 houses. 3 houses means there are only 2 houses. We have to take 1 0 here. So the 100 kilometer I wrote as it is plus 0.087 kilometer I write as it is. 87 divided by 1000 is nothing but 0.087. We have shifted this decimal point 3 houses back. See, the decimal point was here. We have shifted 3 houses back. 1, 2 and 3. Understood? Okay. What is 100 plus 0.087? This is through normal addition. See, 100 plus 0.087. This is nothing but 100.087. This is nothing but 100.087. What is the unit? Kilometer. We got the answer in kilometer. So these are the basics which you required in the competitive exams as well as in the future classes like 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. It will be very useful in PUC. These are the basics concepts of big problems. Okay, so for more updates, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and hope you like this video. Thank you.